In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text font style in Canva. This is a simple skill, but it can completely transform the look and feel of your design. Whether you're making a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer, choosing the right font helps communicate your message clearly and gives your design a more professional finish. First, open your design in Canva and make sure you're on the page where your text is located. On your canvas, click directly on the text you want to change. You can click anywhere inside the text box. When you do this, you'll notice that the text box becomes active and a toolbar appears at the top of the screen. This toolbar is where all your text formatting options live. With your text still selected, look at the top toolbar for the current font name. This is usually shown as the default style you're using, such as a simple sans serif or serif font. It might look like a drop-down menu with the font name written in it. Click on that font name. This tells Canva that you want to change the font style for the text you have selected. Once you click on the font name, a panel will open showing you a list of different fonts you can choose from. You will see a variety of styles, from clean and minimal to bold and decorative. You can scroll through this list to explore the options. As a tip, take a moment to think about the purpose of your design. For example, a playful script might work well for an invitation, while a simple, clean font is better for business presentations or professional documents. Now, with your text still highlighted, move through the font list and click on a style you like. The moment you click on a font, Canva will apply that style to the selected text in your design, so you can see how it looks right away. If it doesn't feel quite right, don't worry. You can simply click on another font in the list and try different options until you find one that matches the mood and tone you want. After you've chosen a font, you can continue customizing your text using the same top toolbar, adjusting size, color, and spacing to refine the look. And that's all you need to do to change the text font style in Canva. Click on your text, open the font menu, and select the style that best fits your design.